Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here with the results of my cleaning of the number 7 in the soapy bath. Then I dried it, made sure there was no water on it. And as you can see, it's good and clean now. But the one thing about the bath is it does reveal any deep rust. We got a little bit of flash rust happening here right now from the bath, but we'll take care of that as we fit the plane back together. And I will put it back together this time with just some protective wax or oil on it. So here you can see the frog. Now, there are going to be haters, and I can fully understand it, and I would normally say never to do this. However, this is not a very valuable plane, except to me as a functioning tool. So I put the wire wheel on the grinder and I lightly wire wheeled all the parts to get off any loose crud, any loose paint. So as you can see, the lateral is now shiny, clean, no rust. That does have to be peened. Okay, so basically I have to come in and support this on steel and with a nail set, come in and peen that so that tightens up. So that's going to go in there. And then I cleaned up the adjusting wheel, but I didn't polish it. I just gave it a light cleaning, and I took it to the wire wheel just lightly to get rid of any crud. So that's going to go on. That goes back on. What you have to do is be a little careful that you get, not like that though. Once you get it started, be careful that you get the yoke to sit on it so you're good to go. But see, that's got good action, and that's even without lubrication. The other thing that's going to go on here is the plate, which has been polished up, and the screw that holds it in place. And we have the toe screw for the tote. And then we have the stud and screw for the knob. And we have the stud and the screw for the tote. All of which have been lightly wire brushed to clean them off. Then there is the lever cap screw. And these will all get a light coating of oil before being reassembled. There is the plate screw. Now this was chrome plated, but the chrome plating was all coming off. So I just polished it up. And then there's the washers and the screws that hold the frog to the bed. And everything has been de-rusted. So like I say, there are going to be haters that say never use a wire wheel. But I look at it this way. If I'm going to use the tool, number one, I want the rust gone because rust will create more rust. So the rust will be gone, they'll be oiled, they'll be waxed, and so that will stop. Now, the tough part, also the chip breaker screw was cleaned up. Okay. The tough part to decide was the lever cap, because the lever cap had all chrome plating. But as you can still see here, the chrome plating is just flaking off. So I hit all of this with the wire wheel and the back and the lever. Everything's nice and polished. This lever cap has a chip in it, so it's already defective. So what do you think? Do you think it's a sacrilege to take your metal parts to a wire wheel and polish them up, or do you think it's okay? Now, if this were a museum piece, no. I would probably go through other methods. But then again, a museum piece wouldn't have chrome plating that's just flaking off. So I'll take some metal polish to this. I'll clean out the Stanley logo, and then everything will get polished and waxed. We'll put it back together and we'll see. And then this summer, when the weather's nice, warm and dry, I will take it completely apart again, and I have to get a new knob because this one is a repaired glued knob. See, there's a piece that's been glued back on. So I don't know exactly what I'm going to do yet. I may take some of my wood and send it off and have a new knob and tote made, or I may just search around for one and replace that one. Don't know. But in the summertime, the wood furniture will get replaced or refinished, and then the body will get repainted. As to the lever cap, we're going to look for a replacement, and we'll look for either, like I say, a replacement knob or both a new knob and new tote. So that's about it for today, everybody. I hope that you're having a great day, and I want to thank you for stopping by. I hope you found something useful, and I hope the haters aren't too mad at me for cleaning up my plane, but this is what I do. And I do as little as I can, but there are times you have to stop the rust. So head out to your workshop. Decide what you're going to do with your planes. I have one other plane that I will be restoring, and I'll probably try to do that in the next few weeks. And then that way, for the summertime, I'll have time to repaint both of them. But that will probably be the last restoration that I will do. I think I would rather start making some more wooden planes and leave the restoration to those of you who want to do it. I've done enough. I've done hundreds. So this is your good friend Walter, out.